One of the things that I love to say that is so true is stronger hair equals longer hair. This next little video segment is going to explain what that means. I'm Genuine Nard, and this is everything I've learned about growing my natural type 4 hair. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and thanks. Okay, I'm going to give you the Genuine Nard straight truth. You know why your natural hair isn't getting longer? Not because it's growing too slow, but it's probably breaking too fast. And until you stop breakage, you're not going to see any length. There are several things you can do to stop breakage. You can wear protective styles. The less you touch your hair, the fewer chances it has to break. This is one of my favorites. And I have several videos on protective styles, so check those out. This video is about making your hair so super strong that it doesn't break, ever. Now, different people have different stuff, but this is what has worked for me. Protein and silica. If you have serious damage, you're going to have to be very heavy-handed with the protein. And for a long time, hair is composed mainly of protein, so monthly keratin treatments are going to be helpful in getting your hair stronger. I also love eggs because eggs are a nutrient-rich superfood. Vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, folate, and fat are all prevalent in eggs. And the protein in eggs help rebuild and heal the damaged structure of hair. It'll make it thicker and stronger over time. I eat eggs almost every day, and once a month I do an egg pre-poo on my hair. I also drink a ton of protein smoothies, and to this one I'm going to add a little collagen. There are really great quality veggie proteins as well. You can have too much protein in your diet, so I try to stay around 46 grams a day. But protein is a building block of life. If you're protein sensitive, you might need extra support from a nutritionalist. Silica is a mineral that helps your body synthesize collagen, and it makes your hair super strong. Now, not the kind in these weird little packets, but the kind in food and grass. Fresh bananas are rich in nutrition. They contain both biotin and silica. I have a video on how I make a great banana pre-poo, and it's a sweetener in most of my smoothies. I also use 3 grasses that will make your hair so strong you will have to cut them with a chainsaw. Why? Because they contain crazy amounts of silica. The first one is this one, horsetail herb. This herb has been used since ancient Rome as medicine, and the name horsetail is curious. Interestingly, horsehair is very similar to human hair, but it's 3 times thicker. It is so strong that it is used to make violin bows. This herb is believed to get its name from its resemblance to a horsetail. Others state it's because it makes your hair as strong as horsehair. But there's another grass that's even higher in silica, bamboo. It is delicious and it grows extremely fast. It's a job to cut because it's so strong, and it has a silica content of up to 85%. Bamboo is so strong and flexible, it's used as a building material. It's 3 times stronger than timber. When compared to steel, bamboo can withstand more tension before breaking. And when you use it regularly, it gives all that strength to your hair. The highest silica content, 98%, is produced by lemongrass that's been treated at a high temperature. Interestingly enough, it's thought by some to be the caneth bosom used in the anointing oil of the Bible, where it's heated and infused with olive oil. Lemongrass is also high in magnesium, calcium, and potassium. I use bamboo and lemongrass in several hair recipes. I also take a bamboo and a horsetail herb supplement. I'm getting to the age where I have to watch out for osteoporosis, and silica helps tremendously. So we can't tell from this picture how fast their hair is growing, but we do know their hair is not breaking. I found after I increased my protein and silica, all breakage stopped in about 3 months, and in a year, I didn't even get split ends anymore. I hope that this really works for you too.
And that's it. Really, this is all about strengthening your hair. And your hair is often going to show symptoms of other things going on. So if you have a lot of breakage, you're not going to be able to ignore that and your hair just grows to some enormous length. You have to stop and address it. For me, it meant going to my doctor, getting some blood work done, and finding out that I actually had a silica deficiency. 90% of people on the planet actually do not get enough silica because it's not readily available in food. But I have started taking supplements. I eat a lot more lemongrass. And I also have started taking these supplements orally directly in my rice water and in my everything oil so that I can make sure I'm building my hair up every time I hydrate it and once I seal it. So if you don't address why your hair is breaking and you just put your hair in a protective style, that's not going to give you the growth you desire. And this is why. When you handle weakened hair, it breaks. So you put in a protective style in that weakened state and you don't see the breakage, but your hair will become weaker over time if you do not give it the nutrients that it needs. So when you take it out of that protective style, the moment you handle your hair, as you wash it, you're going to see breakage until you consistently give your hair the nutrients it needs. You're not going to address the real problem, which is why is my hair breaking? So definitely increase your silica. Go to your doctor if you have a lot of breakage, see if that's what's going on. And also, as you increase your protein intake, you're going to notice your hair, your skin, everything is going to get stronger because we are made literally of protein. And if you're protein sensitive, you're still made of protein. You're going to have to find some way to give your body the nutrition that it needs. And as you get healthier, your hair will get healthier too. So please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. If you already have joined this journey, thank you for subscribing. And tell me what you do to strengthen your hair in the comments below. I want to hear from you. And thank you again for watching.
Thank you again for watching. I would love to hear your success stories in the comments. You can click the red and subscribe to find all the videos in this series. Click here and check out these other cool videos, and click the bell to get weekly reminders when I post something new.